So, chapter 13, problem number 9. This is continues from the previous problem. So, calculating the weighted average cost of capital. So, in the previous problem, suppose the company stock has a beta of 1.1, the risk-free rate is 2.9, the market risk premium is 7%. Assume the overall cost of debt is the weighted average implied by the two outstanding bond issues. Both bonds make semi-annual payments, and the tax rate is 23%. What's the firm's weighted average cost of capital? So, do the easy part first. The cost of equity is the risk-free rate. We'll use the CAPM. So, 2.9 plus 1.1 times the market multiplied by the market risk premium, the 7, and that is 10.6%. So the first issue, so N PV IY, I'm sorry, going brain dead, payment, and future value. So go back to the previous problem. So the first issue is matures in 9 years, is a 6.8% coupon, and is sells for 109.5% of par. So let's go back here. So so it matures in 9 years. It's semi-annual, so that's 9 times 2 is 118. I'm sorry, 18, not 118. Oops. There. So the PV is the price, 109.5. Payment is 100 times the coupon rate, 6.8%, 0.068. And then we divide that by 2, so that's 3.4. Future value is 100, and we compute IY, and that's 2.73 semi-annual rate. So we multiply by 2, and we get 5.45. So let's see if I can get number 2. So our number 2 in PV payment and future value. We know future value is going to be 100. Then go back to the previous problem. So we've got 25 years, 7.1% coupon, and a price of 112.4. So that's 25 times 2 is 50. The PV is the price, the 112.4. Payment is 100 multiplied by the coupon of 7.1%. Divided by 2, and that is 3.55. Then we compute IY, and we get 3.06. We multiply that by 2 to annualize it, and we get 6.12%. So the weighted average cost of capital is going to be, we need to calculate our weight in stock. We're going to use the market value. So the market value of the stock was 509.2. The total market value of the capital structure is 669.2. Then we multiply that by the 10.6. Plus, I'm going to do these separately. So the first debt issue was 87.6. and that's the market value 669. I wrote this is 0.86, and then we multiply that by the yield to maturity, the 5.45, 1 minus the tax rate, 0.23, and then come down here. So the second issue was 73.06, and then said that again is divided by the 669.86. We multiply that by the yield to maturity, 6.12%, times 1 minus the tax rate, and we get the weighted average cost of capital of 9.12%.